Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Visual Studio 2022 updated and a GitHub account with Copilot chat access. Once signed into Visual Studio, open Extensions and enable GitHub Copilot. This registers the tool with your IDE. Make sure you are signed into the same GitHub account that has the Copilot chat license. Then restart Visual Studio to load the extension. Doing this now ensures the chat pane and authentication tokens appear correctly, so you can immediately open a project and invoke the chat. Once done, open your solution and the file you want help with. Copilot chat works best with context. Open the Copilot chat pane from View or the extension toolbar, then describe the task, refactor, write tests, or generate snippets, and include file-specific notes. You can select lines and ask for replacements, or paste a function and request improvements. Make sure to set language and intent in the prompt so responses are precise. This focused context reduces back and forth and yields actionable code suggestions. You finish by validating and applying suggestions carefully. Review each change, accept or edit inline, and run your build or tests to confirm behavior. If a suggestion looks wrong, ask Copilot chat for an explanation or an alternative implementation. For troubleshooting, if the chat pane is unresponsive, make sure your GitHub sign-in is active, update the Copilot extension, and restart Visual Studio. Network proxies or firewall rules can also block the service. When corrected, resume with targeted prompts to refine results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.